Welcome to Corvette Today, the show that talks about everything Corvette, with your host, Steve Garrett, lifetime member of the National Corvette Museum, president of the Corvette Club of Kansas City, Missouri, and radio disc jockey at the #1 radio station in Kansas City for over 45 years. Here's Steve Garrett.
Thanks for listening and watching Corvette Today, the show that talks about everything Corvette, and the only current podcast dedicated to Corvette. I'm your host, Steve Garrett. I appreciate you tuning in. Corvette Today is brought to you by Wheelcraft. Want to dress up your Corvette with bright chrome or black chrome wheels? Visit wheelcraft.com and learn about their advanced PVD chrome finishing. They can refinish your wheels or offer a wheel exchange for most models, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Visit wheelcraft.com today or call them at 833-840-5334. You can listen to Corvette Today on all podcast platforms. You can also listen on your smart device. Just say, "Hey Google," or "Alexa, play the podcast called Corvette Today," and you're connected. And be sure to visit the Corvette Today website. It's CorvetteToday.com. You can access everything there, including the Corvette Today merchandise store. You can also join our Corvette Today Facebook group there as well. Also, make sure you sign up for the Corvette Today emails, notifications, and updates at CorvetteToday.ck.page. And if you like YouTube, be sure to subscribe to our Corvette Today YouTube channel. See all Corvette Today episodes on YouTube as well. And be sure to patronize our flagship sponsors of Corvette Today, MidEngineCorvetteForum.com, the forum that focuses on the new mid-engine C8 Corvette. Meet a lot of fellow Corvette enthusiasts like yourself at MidEngineCorvetteForum.com. Soul Performance Products. Developed and manufactured in the United States, the Soul Performance Products exhaust portfolio has been tailored to elevate the experience of the world's most exciting sports cars, including the latest generation of the Corvette. Soul Performance Products at SOULPP.com, the official performance exhaust of Corvette Today. Aerolarri Wheels, a true forged wheel with over 20 unique styles to choose from for your C8 and wide-body versions of the C7, C6, and C5 Corvette. It's an amazing value, starting at only $23.88 for a set of 4 fully forged wheels. And use the promo code CT111 and get $100 off your purchase. Visit Aerolarri.com. That's AEROLARRI.com. And use the promo code CT111 for your $100 discount. Ciocca Corvettes. If you're a Corvette enthusiast, and I know you are since you're listening and watching Corvette Today, then you need to know about Ciocca Corvette. They're based in Atlantic City, where you can find over 100 new and pre-owned vets on the lot and inbound. Ciocca also ships Corvettes all over the country, custom ordered to your specifications. They're staffed with experienced pros who can answer all your questions. So don't compromise. Visit CioccaCorvette.com. That's CIOCCA Corvette.com and find out more. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive. E5 Wheels. E5 Wheels is a passionate and dedicated wheel company that serves only Corvette. They make spun-forged wheels for your C8, C7, and C6 Corvette. With the best fitment in the industry, E5 Wheels ensures your wheels complement the aesthetics and functionality while optimizing the performance of your Corvette. Visit e5wheels.com or call them at 305-964-7429. And a shout out to Canadian Corvette Forum and Corvette Forum, welcoming Corvette enthusiasts from around the world. The National Corvette Museum will soon celebrate their 30th anniversary. Now, this is going to be a huge event at the museum the last week of August. And here to preview this event is Maci Johnson, event specialist at the National Corvette Museum. Maci, welcome back to Corvette Today, my friend.
Thank you so much. We are looking forward to this event. It will be here before we know it.
It absolutely will. Now, this is an anniversary celebration. It's very special because it's the 30th anniversary of the National Corvette Museum. Plus, it's a caravan year too, isn't it?
That is correct. So this event takes place every 5 years. This is a very special event for us, celebrating the anniversary of the Corvette Museum. It will actually be beginning to take place on Wednesday, August the 28th, and will wrap up on Saturday, August the 31st.
Now, with this being a caravan year, Maci, how many Corvettes and how many people are you guys expecting for the event?
So we are expecting roughly between 6,000 to 8,000 participants here on site at the Corvette Museum. So that would put us to expecting, I would say, between 3,000 and 4,000 Corvettes.
Wow, that's amazing. And there's so much going on during this anniversary celebration. How can someone register for the event?
Definitely. We would love to have anyone register. So if anyone wants to register, they can call into the events department to Melissa Comer at 270-777-4556. And this would be able to get them registered for the overall event and to be able to participate in the seminars and presentations here on site.
That sounds good. Now, with the caravans coming in, you should realize that you don't have to come in with a caravan to attend, do you?
You do not. So you can actually participate in no caravan, which means you could travel down on your own individually at your own leisure. So we welcome those participants who feel more comfortable traveling by no caravan. So it is not just restricted to caravan. Anyone who wants to come down on our own is very welcome to.
And also, if you're not a member of the museum yet, you can still attend this event.
That is correct. You do not have to be a member to participate in any of our on-site events. However, it may encourage them to become a member and join the museum just due to all the benefits that they would get regarding an event, regarding the discounts and other special benefits, but you do not have to be a member to register.
And I'll tell you what, you need to come and be a member of the museum, whether it's a lifetime member or an annual member. You get so many perks from that. It's such a great time. Maci, let's take our first break. When we come back, we'll talk about the schedule and what's going on during the event coming up next here on Corvette Today.
We all know that wheels make the car. Wheelcraft's PVD chrome finish in bright chrome or black chrome will take your Corvette to new levels. And it comes with a 5-year warranty. Durability is a defining feature of the Wheelcraft finish. Their PVD chrome is superior to traditional chrome with a finish that is brake dust resistant and cleans effortlessly with soap and water. Wheelcraft offers factory wheel exchange for select C4 through C8 models, or they can apply the PVD finish to your current wheels. No matter what generation you own, Wheelcraft will transform the look of your Corvette. With every Corvette comes a unique story, and Wheelcraft has embraced this idea. When you purchase your new set of wheels, you receive a lifetime membership to the Wheelcraft Pit Crew, granting you access to your own page on Wheelcraft's website, where you can post pictures and tell your Corvette story. Visit our website at wheelcraft.com or call 833-639-4231. Arrive in style with Wheelcraft.
The National Corvette Restorer Society is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. 50 years of affirming and promoting the preservation and restoration of the Corvette. 50 years as the foremost Corvette collector car organization for building value with its prestigious awards. Have you ever considered joining NCRS? Over 70,000 people have. We're so much more than just the nuts and bolts. The NCRS flight judging program can and often does increase the value of America's sports car by researching and publishing the leading tech manuals and judging guides for the 1953 through 2007 Corvettes, by training the best judges and by hosting local, regional, and national judging events. And when you join, you'll get award-winning magazines like Corvette Restorer and Driveline all throughout the year. Joining is simple and easy. Just go to ncrs.org and sign up. There are NCRS chapters all throughout the U.S. and all around the world. Chances are there's a local chapter near you. So join NCRS today at ncrs.org. We come for the Corvettes. We stay for the friendships made along the way.
When you want to buy a Corvette, or any Chevrolet for that matter, get yours from Hendrick Chevrolet Shawnee Mission, located in Kansas City. Hendrick Chevrolet is the largest Corvette dealership and showroom in the Midwest. With a knowledgeable sales staff and Corvette sales specialists on hand, they'll help you build the Corvette of your dreams, and they ship nationwide. With Corvette certified master mechanics on site and a huge parts department with over 24,000 parts and $2 million in inventory, Hendrick Chevrolet is well equipped to take care of your every need. From sales to service to collision repair, Hendrick Chevrolet has you covered. Visit ChevyUSA.com or call 913-384-1550.
And now, back to Corvette Today with your host and my husband, Steve Garrett.
Thanks for checking out Corvette Today on podcast and YouTube. It's the only current podcast dedicated to Corvette. Corvette Today is brought to you by Wheelcraft. You can dress up your Corvette in bright chrome or black chrome wheels. And Wheelcraft will be at the National Corvette Museum Anniversary Celebration and Caravan. Pre-order your wheels now at wheelcraft.com or give them a call at 833-639-4231. Wheelcraft will install your wheels at the show, then you can drive home in style with Wheelcraft. I'm your host, Steve Garrett. With me is Maci Johnson, the event specialist for the National Corvette Museum. We are talking about the big anniversary celebration and the caravan. In segment number 2, we're going to go over a little bit more of the specifics during that time. Maci, if someone wants to join the caravan, first of all, if they want to get in, where's the best place for them to start?
Definitely. So they would want to reach out to the Corvette Museum with the events department and call into Melissa Comer at 270-777-4556. And we will be able to register them over the phone. However, if they wanted to register for a caravan, they will need to contact their caravan captain to confirm all of the logistics on their side as well. And we'd be happy to have them.
That sounds good. Now, there's a full schedule of events going on during the anniversary/caravan celebration. Give me a few of the highlights of some of the events that will be going on.
Definitely. So we're expecting a lot of guest speakers here during the event with Michelin, General Motor, Bowling Green Assembly Plant, and others. So we are very excited to have these special guest speakers along with a few dinner banquets that we are planning on having, such as our dinner and dancing with live entertainment taking place on Friday, August the 30th at Sloan Convention Center. And then we are also having our 2024 Hall of Fame induction ceremony taking place on Saturday, August the 31st at Sky Pack, a venue downtown here in Bowling Green, and we're super excited for that as well.
And that's a fantastic event as well. Now, there's a full schedule of other seminars going on that attendees can go to as well. Overview some of those seminars that are taking place during the event, and where can they go to see the entire agenda?
Definitely. So individuals can go onto the website at corvettemuseum.org/caravan-agenda to view the full list of seminars, presentations, and dinner banquets that we currently have on our online agenda. We are still, of course, adding events to this website. So definitely continue to check periodically as we're adding more events to the itinerary.
That's great. And the Motorsports Park is going to be open too. Let's talk about some of the things that will be going on at the Motorsports Park during this anniversary celebration.
So yes, the Motorsports Park will have several events over at their venue, including on-track activities, along with a number of vendors attending their event as well. So we're looking forward to that. And they will also have several dinner banquets as well. So that's something that they plan on having at the Motorsports Park. It's something that we're doing bigger and trying to do better than ever for this upcoming anniversary.
Wow, that's really cool. That's nice. And museum deliveries will be taking place during this event as well. That's always fun to watch.
That is correct. So we will have museum deliveries taking place during the 30th anniversary. So we would love for any participants that are on site to join us and congratulate them on our Corvette Boulevard.
That sounds great. Maci, let's take our final break. When we come back, we'll finish up the calendar of events going on during the anniversary celebration/caravan. That's coming up next on Corvette Today.
Are you ready for a better insurance policy without the Corvette tax? With agreed value protection, the value of your collector vehicle will never change. Plus, you'll save money. Get a quick quote at ncminsurance.com.
Hey, honey, are you awake?
I am now.
I can't sleep. Since turning 50, I keep dreaming of a red door and a blue door, somehow knowing there are only choices for retirement.
Okay.
Through the red door, we outlive our money. We have to rely on our kids. We're stuck on a fixed income. It's terrifying.
Yeah, that would suck.
But through the blue door, our money outlives us. We retire on our terms. Our kids stay our kids, not our caretakers. We make work optional.
Yes, that's much better. That's what I want too. But what do we do?
We call True Wealth & Company at 913-653-8783. They specialize in helping successful people make work optional. They're our fiduciary Blue Door personal wealth managers.
Hey, where are you going? It's 3 a.m.
I can't sleep. I'm going to check out True Wealth & Company online at retirewithtrue.com. That Blue Door is going to be our retirement.
913-653-8783. Visit us online at retirewithtrue.com. Investment advice offered through True Wealth & Company, LLC, a registered investment advisor in the state of Kansas.
VetFinders.com is the Internet's original Corvette classified ads website, with classified ads starting at just $25. And every ad runs until your Corvette is sold. If you're in the market for a Corvette, VetFinders.com has over 500 Corvettes for sale from all around the USA and Canada and covering all 8 generations. Visit VetFinders.com, the Internet's destination for buying and selling Corvettes. That's VETTE Finders.com.
Rev up your ride with the ultimate upgrade. The Radiator Grill Store is your go-to destination for top-notch C8 Corvette Stingray, Z06, and E-Ray accessories. Elevate your style with custom-painted engine bay covers, sleek front splitters, and side skirts that scream sophistication. Keep your C8 protected with premium Radiator Grill screens. Stand out from the crowd at car shows and beyond. Use code CT10 for an exclusive 10% discount off your total purchase at radiatorgrillstore.com. Don't miss out on turning heads. Upgrade your Corvette today.
You're enjoying the only current podcast on Corvettes, Corvette Today.
Thanks once again for listening and watching Corvette Today, the show that talks about everything Corvette. Corvette Today is brought to you by Wheelcraft. Dress up your Corvette with bright chrome or black chrome wheels. As a matter of fact, Wheelcraft will be at the National Corvette Museum Anniversary/Caravan Celebration. Pre-order your wheels now at wheelcraft.com or give them a call, 833-639-4231. Wheelcraft will install your wheels at the show, then you can drive home in style with Wheelcraft. I'm your host, Steve Garrett. With me is Maci Johnson, the event specialist at the National Corvette Museum. We are talking about the Anniversary Celebration and the Caravan coming up at the end of August. Maci, one of my favorite things at this event is the Corvette Hall of Fame ceremony. Talk about that and who will be inducted this year.
Our Hall of Fame ceremony is taking place on August the 31st on Saturday here in Bowling Green at Sky Pack, a downtown venue here in Bowling Green. The Hall of Fame is where we celebrate exceptional individuals who have significantly contributed to the Corvette's legacy through their achievements. And this year's inductees include Oliver Gavin, Jan Magnuson, Taj Juchter, and Richard Prince.
That's really great. That's a great lineup of people being inducted this year. Plus, there's some terrific exhibits ongoing at the National Corvette Museum. Let's talk about a few of the exhibits that people can see as they go through the museum and when they'll be there.
Of course. So we're actually going to have several exhibits here at the Corvette Museum for participants to visit while they are here, including the Ground to Sky, the Sinkhole Reimagined, which will be here through September the 15th. So we really want to encourage our participants to go back into our museum and visit this exhibit. We do have an American Love Affair driven by design and our Luster exhibit as well.
That sounds great. And the Corvette store is going to be open. Plus, there's 30th anniversary clothing available too, isn't there?
There is tons of Corvette apparel clothing here. So we will definitely love to have participants check out and shop in our Corvette store upon their arrival on Wednesday. Throughout the entire event, we will be having event apparel mentioning the 30th anniversary celebration on a first-come, first-served basis until they sell out.
That sounds great. All roads are going to be leading to Bowling Green. Once again, Maci, let's tell everybody where they can register for the event.
Definitely. So they can register on corvettemuseum.org/caravan by calling the events department to Melissa Comer at 270-777-4556.
That sounds great. Maci, I'm looking forward to this event. This will be the first time I've come to the anniversary celebration. I always make it to the NCM Michelin Bash, but this will be my first time there. I'm really looking forward to this.
Well, we look forward to having you join us. It's going to be a great event.
Thanks again for listening and watching Corvette Today. And be sure to tell your family, friends, and other Corvette enthusiasts about the Corvette Today show. And thanks to our sponsors, Wheelcraft. Want to dress up your Corvette with bright chrome or black chrome wheels? Visit wheelcraft.com to learn about their advanced PVD chrome finishing. They can refinish your wheels or offer a wheel exchange for most models, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Visit wheelcraft.com today or call 833-639-4231. Soul Performance Products at SOULPP.com, the official performance exhaust of Corvette Today. Ciocca Corvette at CIOCCA Corvette.com. E5 Wheels at E5Wheels.com. True Wealth and Company at RetireWithTrue.com. Also, Aerolarri Wheels. Get $100 off your purchase with the new promo code CT111 at Aerolarri.com. And Hendrick Chevrolet in Kansas City at ChevyUSA.com.
Thanks for checking out Corvette Today on podcast and YouTube. If you'd like to contact Steve with ideas for Corvette Today, you can email him at stevegarrettdj@gmail.com. Garrett has 2 R's and 2 T's. That's stevegarrettdj@gmail.com. Also, sign up for email notifications at corvettetoday.ck.page. Follow Steve and the show on social media on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Threads at Steve Garrett DJ. Thanks again for listening and watching Corvette Today.